Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play WordMaker Connect the Chars. To begin, simply connect adjacent letters on the game board to form words. Remember, words must be at least 3 letters long to be considered valid. Forming longer words is key, as they not only earn you more points, but also unlock special bonuses. This simple mechanic is the core of the game, so practice finding those connections quickly. Understanding the scoring system is crucial for high scores. Each letter you use in a word has a specific point value, which adds to your overall score. As you play, you'll encounter various power-ups, such as hints to find words or shuffles to rearrange letters. Use these strategically to overcome challenging levels. Successfully completing levels frequently rewards you with bonus coins or additional moves, helping you progress further. To truly master WordMaker, consider some advanced strategies. Always look for common prefixes and suffixes. They can help you quickly identify longer words. Aim to clear the board efficiently, as this maximizes the chances of new, valuable letters dropping. Consistent practice is also vital. The more you play, the better your word recognition skills will become, allowing you to spot opportunities faster and achieve higher scores. WordMaker offers daily challenges that provide unique rewards and keep the game fresh. Don't forget to check them out. You can also compete on global leaderboards to see how your word-making skills stack up against players worldwide. For those looking to streamline their daily routine, make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers. Check the description for a link to these and other great deals to help you out.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.